In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your DNS server isn't responding error in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to click onto search and type in network connections, like so. So go ahead and click on view network connections. Now go ahead and find the adapter you use, whether that is Ethernet or your Wi-Fi. Then double click on it. Then from here, little boxes are going to appear like so. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click onto properties. Then from here, go ahead and find Internet Protocol version 4, double click onto it. Now from here, on the second box, it says use the following DNS server. We want to go ahead and change this 8.8.8.8. And then on the second row, you want to do 8.8.4.4 and then click OK. Now that should go ahead and fix DNS server isn't responding error.